In this video, we're going to talk about Vechain and give some predictions for the future. Disclaimer. Also, if you want to have a lifetime 10% discount on all commission fees on Binance, then click in the link in the description. Over the weekend, the crypto market witnessed one of the sharpest dips of 2021, with Vechain among those counting losses. Before the dip, which saw VET part with almost 40% of its value, the coin was on a constant rise. The market dip. The crypto market was hit by the sharpest price drop of 2021 over the last weekend, with the leading crypto, Bitcoin, shedding almost 15% in 24 hours. An hourly candle on April 18th showed the decrease of roughly $8,000, pushing Bitcoin to a low of $50,931. The drop began shortly after reports emerged claiming that the United States Department of Treasury is planning to tackle financial institutions for money laundering carried out through digital assets. Another reason for the market dip could be the blackout experience in Xinjiang, which is a major mining region in China. According to BitInfo charts, hash rates on the Bitcoin network dropped by a 33%, from 157 exahashes per second to just 105 exahashes per second, from April 15th. While this might not have been enough to account for the dip, Luke Sully, the CEO of Ledgermatic, opinioned that people may have sold on the news of the power outage in China and not the impact it actually had on the network. The reasons behind Vechain's rise before the dip. Before the dip, which saw Vechain tumble by almost 40%, the project was on an impressive growth spurt in 2021. At the same time, its native token was also mooning, rising by more than 400% in the last 2 months. VET opened the year trading at 0.01878 cents, but now the coin changes hands at 24.5 cents apiece. A price increase of more than 1,200%. Undoubtedly an impressive run, but why has Vechain been skyrocketing? The week leading up to the dip saw VET spike from as low as about 14 cents to as high as about 25 cents on April 18th. Two major pieces of news behind the price rise were the announcement of Vechain's partnership with PricewaterhouseCoopers and Coinbase's debut on Nasdaq, which saw VET hit an all-time high of 22.78 cents. Vechain for the future. Since Vechain Thor launched in June 2018 and has become one of the most evolved crypto projects, the network has successfully focused on tackling various real-life problems with the blockchain technology. Last November, their solution was used by Health Evolution to tackle counterfeiting and boost users' confidence in its products. In December, Vechain teamed up with the Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology, RMIT, to research innovative ways of furthering the growth of the blockchain technology. In January this year, hospitals in Cyprus began certifying coronavirus vaccine administration using a Vechain blockchain solution. Vechain's new partnership with PwC will see the crypto project assist in the latter's clients in integrating distributed ledger technology into their operations. The partnership highlights the dedication and hard work of the Vechain development team and shows why VET is likely to continue on an uptrend in the coming months. By the way, have you heard about the big partnership about a week ago? Vechain and Salesforce partnership could be the most important in crypto, says Ben Armstrong. On April 8th this year, Vechain Foundation announced a partnership with Salesforce to test, trial, and build applications on the Vechain Thor blockchain. Popular YouTuber Ben Bitboy Armstrong claimed in a recent video that it could be one of the most important in the entire crypto industry. As Armstrong indicated, Salesforce is one of the largest global consumer relationship management software companies worldwide. Via the cooperation with Vechain, the software company will create a link between multiple business sectors. According to Armstrong, Salesforce works with many major companies in the traditional market. Due to the features and multiple use cases that can be developed on Vechain's platform, the YouTuber believes that this partnership was the next logical step for the blockchain company. Armstrong stated, "If you talk about supply chain tracking, the next company integration will be into tracking data systems, because where is that data going to go? It's going into the system and getting integrated. It's going to be massive. They are official partners. This is one of the biggest partnerships in crypto, and I can tell you that Vechain has already got a lot, and it's going to keep going for sure. I believe so." Why did Salesforce choose Vechain? Vechain Foundation's official release on the partnership with Salesforce highlights the role played by Daniel Norte, Director of Strategy and Architecture at Salesforce. Norte was part of building the Salesforce toolchain Adapt solution that enables data sharing on the Vechain Thor platform. The executive has recognized the potential of blockchain technology as a critical tool in the CRM industry. As such, the integration with Vechain will focus on tackling the most important challenges in this sector. Norte has stated the following about the cooperation. A key benefit of working with Vechain was the simplicity of the integration. Vechain provides a blockchain-as-a-service platform, which meant I did not have to provide any intermediary architecture myself. From what I've seen, this is unique to the Vechain Thor public blockchain, and I thought it was a very good idea, especially for organizations who don't necessarily want to invest in more systems to maintain. Vechain went from the drawing board and into reality in 2015 with the goal to disrupt the supply chain industry by making data actionable and transparent. The project's creator, Sunny Liu, was best known for his executive work with Louis Vuitton China before this venture. You have to imagine that dealing with all of the supply chain issues facing clothing manufacturers helped inspire him to develop this unique system. Vechain's VET began on the Ethereum blockchain. This approach is a common strategy in the market because it allows developers to showcase their concept and gather funds to develop their own blockchain. Eventually, that's exactly what Vechain did. Today, VET operates within the native Vechain ecosystem. In this way, developers can provide features geared directly to business clientele. Alright, so now let's get closer to that price prediction. Vechain's price shows sideways movement in play after hitting a local top recently. Now VET approaches a critical demand area, which will decide where it's headed next. Vechain's price to remain range-bound. Vechain's price surged nearly 50% between April 16th and the 17th, which placed it at roughly 25 cents. Since this point, VET movement has been restricted to two barriers, 25 cents and 20 cents. Vechain's price faces a decisive moment as it approaches a demand barrier that extends from 22 cents to 23 cents. A breakdown of this support will result in a 9% drop to the lower range. However, a successful bounce could push it toward the local top. The moving average convergence divergence indicator exhibits a bearish bias on the 12-hour chart, suggesting a minor crash could be on its way. The MACD line, orange, has slid below the signal line, blue, forming a bearish crossover. Such a move depicts that the short-term bearish momentum is rising, promoting a drop. Hence, a breakdown of the said demand will result in a retest of 20 cents. Vechain's price is known to defy technical indicators, and its up-only bull rally for the past 3 months signifies that. Hence, it should not surprise investors if VET disregards the MACD's bearish crossover and proceeds to bounce from the demand zone to a retest of 25 cents. A decisive close above this level might allow Vechain buyers to propel it 12% toward the 161.8 Fibonacci extension level at 28 cents and beyond. Invalidation of the bullish scenario will occur if Vechain's price slices below 20 cents and trades there for an extended period. In such a case, a retest of the lower low at 17 cents seems likely. By the way, if you're wondering, where do you buy Vechain? You can follow the links in the description and additionally get extra discounts. But note, I'm not forcing you to invest in this project. It's 100% your personal decision. Don't forget to check out more videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.